Hey everybody, I'm Jake Alexander with Action Accounting. We specialize in tax planning for business owners. And I just wanted to take a minute to share an incredibly powerful example of a lesson that I learned at the Room Full of Referrals training. This was the second time I went. The first time I went by myself. Second time I went, I brought a couple members of our team. And the specific example that stood out and hit me kind of like a ton of bricks was one of my team members was sitting in the nurturer section. And I remember I was before, not that we were having trouble relating, but I was always attempting to motivate her financially, motivate her by money, saying, if you do this for this customer, you'll make this much money. If you do this for the company, you'll make this much money. And when I saw her sitting in the nurturer section, it hit me like a ton of bricks. It's like, she's not motivated by money. She's motivated by people and wanting to help. So I started tweaking the language that I used when we were doing coaching and training and that kind of stuff, and started saying things like, if we do this, we're going to help this person this much more. If we do this, we're going to bring this much more value to this many more people's lives. And that had a really big impact. It was really powerful for me as well. And that's just one example of what I learned at Room Full of Referrals.